Here we are in North Georgia in the blizzard of 010. Is it 010? 2010. And it's 3.5 inches of snow. Pete's building a snowman. Here's the beautiful trees. Are so beautiful. And the garden is covered in a blanket of snow. There's the field. Down there is the lake.
Snow dog.
And Pete's built us a snow dog. Oh, watch out, the drifts are falling. There's the dogs. Diamond! And Cody. Oh, here's Toshiba. Kitty! Well, that was Toshiba.
She's under there.
Kitty! Come here. She's a little camera shy. Throw me a snowball. He never does what I say. And you want to see the snow? There's Toshiba. She's camera shy. Kitty! Hey, baby. Say hello. We'll see the snow on the greenhouse. All the flowers inside of it are ooh, it's crunching. I'm crunching on the porch. You can see the flowers in the greenhouse. They're fine. Here's the front yard.
Hey, where'd you go?
Right here.
Hey.
All the dogs in the snow. My yeller dogs. Diamond.
See how dirty?
My mountain man. That kind of reminiscent of Bigfoot, wasn't it?
What's that?
Bigfoot should have turned and threw a snowball. And there he goes into the warmth. It's just snowing now, and they said it's going to snow for a little longer. Here's up into the trees. Look at my hibiscus plant with the seed pods frozen on it.